Guys, please try and trim your armpits. Try and moisturize your body. Have soft skin now. I know your skin cannot be like soft like our own, but moisturize. Make sure you keep clean shaved. You brush well. You are neat. Don't be a fine boy with dirt when you're dirty. Don't be a fine boy with dirty underwear. With fine boy, but you're wearing one underwear for like 2 weeks. Have like 20 underwears. Have underwears that you'll be using when you're with your spouse. You are having fun. You are getting aroused together. Have underwears that you wear for sports. For different clothing. Know the kind of boxers or underwear you're buying for yourself as for your body type. Not every man can wear a pant. Not everyone can wear briefs. Not every man can wear boxers. Many men have bigger thighs, bigger butts. Many men have bigger manhoods. Shop for your body type. Don't look at what your friend is wearing. The type of clothing you are wearing matters. The color of your clothing matters also. The color of the underwear. Pack well. Pack your manhood well. It's attractive. We don't need to know the size of your manhood. Don't wear tight underwear for us. Man will wear and then leave the this thing open and you are seeing the chest of his head. Women are attracted to that. We're talking about Christian cutting here. In Christendom, it's attractive to women. When they see a man with hair on the chest, it's a turn on to some women. Wear loose trousers. Don't go and wear design for females and you wear. Go and carry a trousers or a pants, a jogging bottoms or a tracksuit designed for females and you wear. It will not be the same because the front part of your design is supposed to be bigger because to accommodate your manhood, your crotch. But for a woman, it's short. That's why if you see a woman's trousers and a man's trousers, two different things. We don't want to know how the size of your crotch is. And even when you're wearing your sports pack well. It is good that a man should know how you pack will determine the angle for which your erection will be going. This is something that is not taught, and I want to tell men. This is why you need to teach your sons this. It is very difficult for a mother to teach the son this. The angle you pack as a man will determine the angle which your erection will be going to. If you are packing and putting your penis to the left-hand side, when you'll be having your erection, you'll be going to the left-hand side. This is why I want to say, choose the right underwear, the right boxers for your body type, for the size of your crotch, for the size of your manhood. Very important. If you're having a very, very protruding or let me say very, very pronounced manhood, don't wear loose underwear. Don't wear and then you sit down and everything has come on your thighs. One can measure the size of your penis by just looking at it lie on your thighs. It's not decent. Many men today cannot wear white underwear. Men cannot wear white underwear. They cannot. You will see physics everywhere around the butt area. Everywhere. They will either wear blue, black, or gray. Blue, black, or gray. That's men. Or red. Colors like white can never be on a man's this thing. Some men. Never. Never. Firstly, not only the anal area, also in between that anal scooter area, you see that you'll be dirty. Around this sides of their testes, you see that area where the pants will go to, it will be dark. That's why many cannot wear white underwear. Men, you're the one to teach your boys how to be hygienic. What your father did not teach you and you're learning today from me, please teach your sons. The mother of that boy cannot teach your son that. A male has maybe hair, pubic hair, right up to his anal area on top of his butt. That place you need to trim it. Sometimes you see a male having his pubic hair is all white. They have screwed up like that. It's all white. Trim that area. Just type Gwendolyn Halle. Just type my name on YouTube. You'll see my channel on health. There's a lot of things that will help you there. I go practical. I go real practical there. You trim that your inner area well. Trim that your pelvic bone. Trim your balls. Trim it well. Trim it well. Trim it well. That area should not be oozing smelly. Especially between your balls. Examine your balls very well. As a male. Teach this to your boy children. Teach your boys. You see, it is easier. It is easier for a father to teach the son these things and he picks it because the boy will understand, oh, this man is teaching me what we know. But when the man is teaching the boy, he'll be like, what do you know about being a man? What do you know? So this is what actually happens. When you're washing your anal area, your butt area, wash it thrice. First, you wash it with soap and water. Secondly, you wash it with a sponge and with some soap. Thirdly, you wash it with a body towel and some soap. You wash it so that with a body towel, which is almost similar to that of a wipe. All the cracks, if you look at your skin, you will see some tiny cracks on it. Around that inner area, it's even deeper. It's even deeper. Now, examine that area for fungi. Examine that area. Have you ever stood somewhere you have seen a male or a female actually scratching their anus? Make sure you clean your anal area well when you pass out feces. Many of the there's already fungi there scratching. Many have leftover feces there. Many have worms around that area. There's already an infection around that inner opening. Check your butt. If you have dark spots on your butt, that's eczema. That's for fungi. It could be ringworm. Ringworm manifests differently. You see it going around and around and around. Even when you are putting a cream on it, it's expanding. Get ketoconazole cream, 2%, 30 grams, very cheap everywhere. Buy like 5. They'll be rubbing there. If it's only on that area, but if you find it around that area, you find it around the genital area, know that you have had it a long time. You need tablets. Ketoconazole, 200 milligrams. Buy, take it at least for 5 weeks. 1 tablet every day. Get cream, put there. Get like 5. Morning and evening. Men bathe in the evenings. Bathe every evening. Morning and evening, have a bath. Rub it. If you have check your underbum area. If it's dark, do something about it. Not be cream go come out. Even for women, the same. There are many women who are they buying cream, dark spot removal from me, that they have dark underbum, dark spots on their butt is not coming out. If it dawned on me that could be fungi, I understand how a cream is exfoliating. You have used it for this amount of time, and it's not, you're not seeing any of this thing. If you know, fungi does not respond to bleaching cream or fake cream or lightening cream or dark spot removers. Fungi will never respond to it. Like I said before, your genital area is supposed to be darker than other parts of your body because of the high hormonal activities going on there. But I showed you an example. You see this area of your nail here like this, your genitals should not pass dark past that one. Should not be darker than it. There are many people who have scrubbed that area with all sorts of things when it's fungi. Examine that area well. Let it be uniform in color. Then men, for your balls, check in between your balls, the distance between your anus and your scrotum, your testes. Look at that area. There's many men have fungi there. Many men have fungi. You are there scrubbing it. Sometimes you don't even care. Or it's not who is looking there. How will you expect your wife to climb on top of you and satisfy you when she's seeing some white things, hair that has tangled, has become gray, has wrapped? That smell that will be oozing. Fungi stinks. When you are going to go and bathe as a man, take your balls, touch your balls. Examine the ones that are abnormal, the one that it has pain. As a man, you should know which of your balls, your testis is bigger than the other. You should know which of your testis is bigger than the other as a man. Don't just be living anyhow. Know which testis. Touch your testis when you are bathing. Do self-examination. Touch the veins on it for your sons that are growing up. Make sure that you follow them up until you realize that the testes have dropped out of their body. If their testes have not dropped out of their body, they are going to have fertility issues. Many men are just living anyhow. They leave their children to their mothers, their male children to their mothers. Men don't even know that their testes move up and down. Their scrotum starts to move up and down. As you are aging, it's going to be sagging. It's going to sag even more. So when you are there complaining as a woman's breasts are sagging, look at your scrotum. Wear the right underwear so it doesn't touch your knee. So your scrotum doesn't touch your knee. Be very, very conscious of your masculinity, and this is part of it. Many of you who are married, go ask your husband which of your testes is bigger than the other. He cannot tell. It's negligence. And if you are not circumcised, know that you are very prone to balanitis, to penile cancer. Some people have had their penis cut off because of unhygienic nature. If you're a man, make sure you wash your penis, especially if you're sexually active with your wife. Wash your penis well. Monitor your discharge. A man does not even know how his discharge is like. Know what your discharge is. Know what your seminal fluid is. Study your pre-com. Study your semen. Study your semen when you ejaculate on your wife. Study your pre-com. The texture. Look at it. Smell it. Be careless about your destiny. Know what is about you. As a man today, what is the component of his pre-com? He cannot say. What is in his semen? He cannot say. Know the texture of your semen. Is your semen supposed to be thick, watery? What does that mean? Today, every man wants to marry. They want to marry. Men want to marry, but they don't know which of their testes are bigger than the other. They don't know anything about reproductive health. Nothing about reproductive health. Nothing about protecting their fertility. I don't know how many men have gone for checkup to check their fertility. And also as a man, don't use laptop close on your thighs. It will mess up your fertility. Alcohol, smoking, carcinogens, all these things you take affect your fertility in the long run. A man should know that your penis too can break during sex. Those of you who are married, your penis can break. There's penile fracture. Those of you who are always in a hurry to go inside, penile fracture will need you to do a surgery to get your penis right. And most times it doesn't get its functionality back. Penile fracture is very common. So when you drink, you smoke, you're unconscious, you want to sleep with your wife, you just want to go in and go out, you are not caring how you are doing. Be careful, your penis will break. And when it breaks, it's surgery time. The pain you will feel, you will know that. When you break, you will hear the noise. So it's tissue. It's tissue, muscle, tissue. You will hear like, you feel like a bone has broken, but it doesn't have bone. The penis doesn't have a bone. But you will hear like something that make. Yes. So you are married. As men, shave. Shave. If you don't shave, your pubic hairs will be entering inside your wife and will be causing her friction in her vagina. Your pubic hairs will go into your spouse and will make it uncomfortable for her. If your penis is unclean, you are carrying microorganisms into your wife. If you're circumcised and you have already smeared a deposit, you already have that balanitis, the accumulation of dead cells and microorganisms at the tip of your penis, you enter your wife, you give her infections. Then you will say that she's smelling when it's from you. Check your penis often. And also men that go for football and do extracurricular activities. Please, if you have somebody who hits you mistakenly or even knowingly around your genital area, don't take it hands down. Go to the clinic. Take 2 days and examine that area very well. There are many men today that are responsible for childlessness in their marriage, but they are blaming their wives. And because of ego, they cannot go to the clinic. But it's because of all of this carelessness. There are many men today who mishandle their testicles, and one of their testicles are taken out and they have just one testicle. One testis. Although they can get a lady pregnant, but it's because they were careless about their reproductive health. Men, instead of you drinking alcohol, drinking all these concoctions, taking Viagra to last long in bed, get to the Holy Spirit. Let the Holy Spirit help you. I'm talking about when there's no demon. If you notice it, go and do sports. Stop those things that are not making you to enjoy sex. You are being a 1 minute man. If spiritually, sort it out. If it's a demon, it's a spirit wife which is of course. Take it away. Don't even do pornography. It's not even advised. Masturbation, stop it. All of those nonsense, stop it. Side chick, side turkey, stop it. Look at the things that can make your marriage better. Why don't you drink dates? Take dates, it will help you. Please go to my YouTube channel. I cannot say everything on this one in this life. Just type my name on YouTube. You'll see my channel there. Just subscribe. I upload every day.